Hello guys, so today new word is Cajole. Cajole. C-A-J-O-L-E. Cajole. Cajole simply means persuade someone to do something by sustain, coaxing, or flattering. Persuade someone to do something by sustain, coaxing, or flattery. What are the synonyms for cajole? There are persuade, wheedle, quack, talking to, manure, get around, prevail on, beguile. So let's give a few antonyms for cajole. There are harass, drive away, deter, disenchant, bully, force, repulse. So let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. He hoped to cajole her into selling the house. Number 2. It is difficult to cajole him into consent. Number 3. Do you think you can cajole some money out of your father? Number 4. I managed to cajole her out of leaving too early. Number 5. I'm not going to cajole you into the reception of my view. I'm not going to cajole you into the reception of my view.